Most healthcare hospital systems employ the doctors and nurses providing care to the patients in our country. Medical malpractice or negligence occurs when healthcare hospital systems or their employees breach the standards of care, causing injuries to you or your family. Preventable medical errors are known to occur and have been reported to be the third leading cause of death in the United States.
Often the extent and scope of the negligence is not known to the patient or his families at the time the errors occur. It's hard for people outside of the healthcare field to know what was done wrong and to know what should have been done instead to prevent the injuries.
Healthcare providers are like the rest of us. They are human. They have good days and bad days, and they make mistakes. Sometimes they weren't paying attention. Sometimes they don't listen. Sometimes the entire healthcare system fails. Labs are missed, films are misread, communications break down. What then?
Doctors and nurses are just like the rest of us. They miss stuff, they rush, they forget, they make mistakes. Unfortunately, unlike most of us, when the healthcare community fails, the damage is often overwhelming and permanent.
Patients die, become paralyzed, or suffer permanent brain injuries. If they survive, they can be left unable to care for themselves. Like the rest of us, when doctors and nurses are negligent, the law requires they compensate you for the injuries they cause. Many times, they carry insurance to pay for their mistakes.
As heroic as doctors and nurses may be, though, we can tell you that that is not what the insurance companies care about. They will do everything in their power to ensure that you do not get compensated, no matter how egregious it was. You are on your own.
If you suspect that you have suffered a serious and permanent injury due to the negligence of a doctor or nurse, call the Lawrence firm. Our veteran attorneys have been representing victims of bad medical care for decades.